Clinical anatomy of rectum, digital per rectum examination. In PR examination, fingers enter anal canal before reaching lower end of rectum. In normal person, structures palpated by a finger passed per rectum. In males, they are posterior surface of prostate, seminal vesicle vas difference. In females, perineal body cervix presenting part of fetus during delivery. In both sexes, anorectal ring, coccyx and sacrum, ischioanal fossa and ischial spines. In patients, abnormalities palpated in PR examination within lumen are fecal impaction and foreign bodies, bleeding piles or hemorrhoids. In rectal walls, rectal growths and strictures, thrombosed piles outside rectal wall. In males, end of prostate, seminal vesicle, bulbourethral gland, and stone in membranous urethra. Females, enlargement of uterus, tubes and ovaries, and abnormalities in the pouch of Douglas. Both sexes, distended bladder, lower ureteric stones, and tumors of bony pelvis. During parturition, the dilation of cervix is commonly assessed via rectal wall to avoid infection and repeated vaginal examination. Proboscopy and sigmoidoscopy, interior of rectum and anal canal, are examined via direct vision instruments like proctoscope and sigmoidoscope. Proctoscope shows internal pile growth in lower part of rectum. Sigmoidoscope helps in revealing ulcers, growth divertically, and taking a rectal biopsy. Prolapse of rectum. Incomplete or mucosal prolapse of rectum via anus may occur following violent straining due to imperfect support of rectal mucosa by submucosa, which is made up of loose areolar connective areolar tissue. Complete prolapse or procedentia. It is a condition in which whole thickness of rectal wall protrudes via anus. Causes for this disease are laxity of pelvic floor, excessively deep rectovesical or rectouterine pouch, inadequate fixation of rectum in its presacral bed. Neurological disturbance of rectum, identical innervation of rectum and bladder. The rectal involvement in nerve lesions is less severe than that of bladder. Carcinoma of rectum, quite common. It is situated at rectosigmoid junction, constricting type or in ampulla proliferating type. Causes bleeding per rectum from an indurated raised ulcer. Condition is surgically treated by an abdominoperineal excision in which anus, anal canal, rectum, distal colon are removed and blocked, and a permanent colostomy in left iliac fossa is done with proximal end of the colon. Rectal continence depends solely on the anorectal ring. Damage to the ring results in rectal incontinence. Surgeon has to carefully protect the anorectal ring in operating on the region.